So my name is Travis Jumper. I am the coordinator of the welding technology program here at Lewis and Clark Community College.
The Weber Workforce building that Travis is housed in is phenomenal. It is covering for everything that you can think of when it is related to metalworking or welding.
It's a 16,000 square foot building. We've got 3 classrooms. We've got 30 welding stations. We've got a separate shop just for oxy-fuel cutting welding. We've got fabrication area inside the shop itself, so we're able to do pretty much any type of welding, cutting process, or fabrication work that comes in the door. We're able to do it from inside this facility.
Yeah, our partnership with Lewis and Clark was twofold. One, we get to support Lewis and Clark in the community that they're in and they service, but then it also trickles down to the local high schools that feed Lewis and Clark.
So one of the big advantages that we have here local is we have companies like Cee Kay Supply, which is our local distributor here. They've been absolutely wonderful working with them. They have an excellent tech department. Anything that I've needed, they'll bring it here to the shop, or if I need to go to one of the facilities and pick it up, I've been able to stop by any of the facilities that they have both on the Illinois and Missouri side. I didn't have to just go to my local Cee Kay. I could pick it up from any of the facilities throughout the area.